Okay, all right. So I'm going to start my pre-market video here, DayTraderRockStar, and I'm going to go over how to pretty much time a bottom in the market. And this decline actually is really hitting the tech stocks. So what I like to do is trying to find an area where the market's going to go down instead of trying to catch a bottom. There is definite stocks that I want to start buying, and those are the relative strength stocks, like I put out in yesterday's watch list. I mainly focused on relative strength stocks. Now, I know there's a lot of traders out there. You get the biggest swings in the NASDAQ stocks, the Googles, the Baidus, the ISRGs, the dry ships. Usually the four-lettered stocks get a big move usually. And then you have some of the, not to say that the Dow stocks, even the two-letter stocks and the one-letter stocks don't get big moves too, because you look at MasterCard and some other ones like that also get big moves. But right now, I'm just going to give an example using the NASDAQ stocks, because these are the ones that are really getting hit in this market today. And I know a lot of people are looking to buy some stocks. So what I'll be doing today, just to give everyone a heads up, is I'll be actually watching the comp, or the NASDAQ comp. And as yesterday I showed you an example using the S&P of trading a double bottom. Well, usually the market's going sync and tandem, and the comp pretty much made the same double bottom right here as bottom one, bottom two. Even though it's not a perfect bottom where it comes right down to the 1453 area here on the comp. This is the comp. I also use the you know what? I could also use the. You know what I should do also. Thing freezing up on me here. I wonder if it's why it's freezing up on me. Well, either way, I could also use the. I guess maybe the NDX might be a better one. Either way, you could see the so-called double bottom here, and the stochastics that have come down and matched that area. So just looking at this area here also, and the stochastics coming down, coming down to this level. What I want to do, and because it was an excellent trend line here, actually my line is awful. I'm really butchering this video up here. Actually, let me go back here to the. This is just a butcher job on my. I'll stick to the comp here. You see, I might have a downward trending line here, and this is something I'm going to look for. I'm going to look for this W pattern here that came out to play yesterday. Right here. Sorry, I'm not, it's getting back into the market here for the first day of being out of the market for a while. It's going to take me a while to get my tools running and stuff. It's pre-market right now. Then we had a slight pullback in this W pattern. And now when I time these stocks that I'm looking to buy, with comparing them to the overall market. So if I'm dealing with a NASDAQ stock, I want to find a bounce in Google and stuff. I want to make sure everything lines up correctly on the comp or the NASDAQ. Because this is going to tell me if this move is going to be a real move, or are we just going to see what's called like just a pullback and then a continuation lower. So if everything looks good on the overall market chart, that's when I might want to start taking position in a stock for an overnight trade instead of just trading, or maybe for a good bounce also. Again, this market is not a market you want to be holding anything overnight. You want to be able to trade this market. Get out, sit on the sidelines, and let things play out. You're not going to miss any moves. This market is so volatile these days that there's always going to be a chance to trade this market. So definitely concentrate on keeping one of the major markets up while you're trading, be it the S&P, the NASDAQ, or the Dow, and use these as another tool to find an entry point into your chart. And again, yesterday I went over on the watch list how this trade made the perfect W pattern. We made a pullback. We also had a trend line coming down that we broke through, and then we also had a very low stochastic reading. So we had 3 good indicators that told us to go long here. And if we have 3 indicators that tell you to go long, that's a very good, really good indication that you should at least attempt to make a trade on this. And this is what you're going to have to watch for in a market like this. So this is how you're going to find the good trades today. You're going to have certain things really line up for you. And do not try to catch a bottom here. This market's going to be very volatile in the beginning. You do not need to risk anything you have to. So keep it tuned. Remember, I'll be on the radio all day today. Since 8 o'clock I'm on now until about 4:30. And I'll be setting up these trades for you. So hopefully you have the patience and the discipline to wait until you find a perfect trade, get in it, take your money, and move on. All right, and that's how you're going to make money here. The days are going to be back when these markets are going to continue to go straight up, and it's going to be easy to throw money at the market. But until then, you need to be a sniper, and you need to pick your shots. So excuse me for the sloppiness of the beginning of the video. Don't only have my eyes open here. Let me get this video out for you, and let's start talking the market here on DayTraderRadio.com. You can go to DayTraderRadio.com to see how you log in. You can also email me at ironaction@yahoo.com. Futures are selling off here, and let me get this going. All right, we're gonna have a good day no matter what. Up or down markets, you should be able to have the you should have the tools to find trades.